this property is a special place. The guests don't feel that they're in anything ordinary, and that's really important to us. The train is a must-do. And you get to see everything, bananas, papayas growing, pineapples, and you'll see plants that you don't see anywhere else. It's sort of beyond words. And this is all before you get to the actual Luau Kalamaku. They'll really get everything you get at a traditional luau. The food's really delicious. It really is farm to table, and they're full and happy. We start then after their dinner into a really phenomenal 40-minute production of a smaller story of a family who left Tahiti and moved to Hawaii and what it takes to endure as a family. It really is a beyond luau experience for the guest.